Hello, how are you? My name is Soraya. Welcome to my channel. Probably if you clicked here on this video, it's because you want to know more information about Exipure, so I decided to make a review video for you to get more information, if it really works, if it's worth buying. I seriously recommend that you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to pass an important warning to you, because many people are losing money with this. And I'm also going to reveal all the information that you need to know before buying this supplement. If you suffer with weight gain problems, wake up every day with low self-esteem, don't feel beautiful, always tired and unwell, are ashamed of putting on a bikini, and don't want this lifestyle anymore, surely you've seen an ad about Exipure on the internet. Exipure Weight Loss Supplement promises to put an end once and for all to your problems of excess pounds and people. You should know that it really works and it will help you. All of this in a healthy way and without putting your health at risk, because Exipure supplement is totally based on natural ingredients that do not cause side effects. So, by using it correctly, you will soon notice the results and completely get rid of your weight problems. Because it has been tested in rigorous laboratories, passed all tests, and thanks to the all-natural and powerful formula, many customers are having amazing results. And why Exipure works and is worth it. Exipure Weight Loss Supplement is a unique blend of 8 unusual nutrients isolated directly from the plant-based substance. Exipure is the most impressive weight loss diet pill for burning fat today, improving metabolism and making it harder to gain weight in the first place. So you can really trust Exipure supplement because it really works. It slims your body in an amazing way. You will feel satisfied with your weight, living light and happy. How does Exipure work? Exipure is a unique weight loss pill that addresses the root cause of obesity, which is lack of brown adipose tissue. Exipure prevents obesity, fights bad cholesterol, works against white fat, reduces blood sugar and blood pressure, and is made under US FDA-approved facilitation. And I also want to make it clear, for you to really have results with Exipure, you must consume 1 capsule a day, for at least 3 months, so you will really see the results. And my warning that I want to pass here for you, is that you should be very careful when you buy Exipure, because there is a lot of deceit in sites of fake product, and, because of this the manufacturer decided to make available the sale of Exipure only on his official site. And to help you not to fall for this deceit, I will leave here in the description of this video, the link of the official site, so that you buy safely. And also buying the official site you receive several benefits, you will win free shipping and also some bonus. And also Exipure purchased through the official site of the manufacturer has a 180-day guarantee, i.e. if you have no results in this period is only to request your refund on the site. Thousands of customers are getting results with Exipure and are completely satisfied. So if you are not satisfied with your overweight, are ashamed of putting on a more attractive outfit, Exipure will help you to end all your problems, and you will be able to live with your self-esteem and be satisfied with the results. I hope I helped you with this video. Thank you for watching until the end. If I helped you in any way, don't forget to leave your like here on this video.